An aeroplane leaves a point P, which is 21 degrees north and 32 degrees east, and flies due south at 850 km per hour. The speed is given. Find its position Q after 4 hours. Take pi to 22/7 and have the word 6,400 km. Alright, let's solve this one. Solution. If this is the shape of the head surface, this is the axis of the head surface. If this is the equator of the head surface, eastern part, western part, northern part, and southern part of the head surface. So we have an aeroplane that leaves a point P, latitude 21 degrees north. This is latitude 21 degrees north. Latitude 21 degrees north. And 32 degrees east. Longitude 32 degrees. Longitude. This is longitude 32 degrees. Longitude 32 degrees. And flies due south. So that this is the point. This is the aeroplane. Let's call it what? A. This is the aeroplane. This aeroplane now flies due south. Flies due south at 850 km per hour. So it covers a speed, or it uses a speed of 850 km per hour. So find the position Q after 4 hours. Let's assume the aeroplane is here, due south. Let's assume it's here, which is what? B. We don't know the longitude of B, and that is exactly what they asked us to find. Alright, if this is B and this is A, then we have this to the center of the head surface, we have this to the center of the surface. Don't forget this is what? At 0. So this is what? 21 degrees, but we don't know this. Let's call this place what? Alpha. Let's call that place Alpha, because we don't know it. So for layman, we have something like this. So this is 21, this is A, this is what? This is B. This is 21 degrees, but we don't know this. You see, that is the what? The alpha A. And what? We are looking for what? Distance AB. That's along the great circle, not along the small circle this time around. Okay, if that's the case, we have to find the distance. And we can use the speed to determine the what? The distance. From speed equals to distance over time. So by cross multiplying, distance is equal to speed times time. So that our distance is equal to what? 850 times 4. 850 times 4. So and that gives us what? 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 5, 20 is 0, 32, 34, that is what? 3,400 kilometers. That means the distance from A to B is what? 3,400 kilometers. So we can find AB now. AB is given to the what? Theta over 360 times 2 pi r. We're using capital R this time around because it's along what? A great circle. Any distance along longitude, I've explained that in our previous study. It's going to give us capital R. So we're looking for theta. So 3,400 equals to what? Theta over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times what? 6,400. And that will give us what? So we have it. By cross multiplication, what do we have? We have 3,400 times 360. Yes. 3,400 times 360 times 7 is equals to what? Theta times 2 times 22 times 6,400. You can divide both by what? 2 times 22 times 6,400. Divide both by 2 times 22 times 6,400. This will cancel this, will cancel this, will cancel this. So that means we are saying this. This is what we are saying. That means our theta is equals to 3400 times 360 times 7 over what? 2 times 22 times 6,400. If you press your calculator very well, you see that our theta is approximately 30 degrees. That is to two significant figure. Approximately 30 degrees to two significant. That's our theta. That's our what? Our theta. Our theta is that. Now it shows the angle. Look at this diagram. Look at let's do from layman, from here. That means all this place is theta, and that's 30 degrees. All this place is theta, and that is 30 degrees. So we can determine our alpha, meaning that our alpha is now equal to what? 30 degrees minus what? 21 degrees. And that gives us what? 9 degrees. 9 degrees. South, 9 degrees what? South. Because the angle is at what? South. So the position of Q. The position of Q will now be latitude 9 degrees. Latitude 9 degrees south, and then longitude what? 32 degrees east. 32 degrees. That's the position of what? Of Q. Thank you. Wish you best of luck.